Um, for a self-employed person in which let's say that you're handling both my bookkeeping and my taxes, including some of the tax planning work that you do and more proactive, forward-looking stuff. What should I do as a client to be able to be a really good client for you and for your team, where when I contact you, you're happy to hear from me and it's going well.
Oh, that's a very good question. Um, pretty, we give us access to your QuickBooks, or or not access to your bank account and credit card. We don't have to keep bothering you to get your statements. We can. I really recommend monthly, at the very least quarterly, but monthly is better because you also can run in. I tell people, or we send them their profit and loss each month, so they can kind of see also. And there's a few things that I've kind of not been doing as well as I should have been, but I'm getting back on track. But I try to look through those myself so I can see trends of what are they doing, why are they spending this much money here. So if you're putting too much money into advertising, where are you doing your advertising? Do you understand it's not making you? Are you getting any clients from that? Things like that, and which most people aren't going to take the time to do on their own self. So,
That's kind of I mean, since you're doing my accounting, you're providing some kind of accountability in a way.
correct.
Okay.
Yeah. And so then what we want from you is when we ask you, because obviously there's going to be things that we don't know what you did with that money, or what we'll Google the business that you wrote a check to or whatnot. And we ask you what was, if we can't figure it out that it had something to do with your business, that's because once in a while how things come through a bank statement isn't really what the name of the business is. So those are the things we will request from you. And that's better, timely, that if you can answer those, I understand our people are entrepreneurs too. Time is of essence, but the sooner you can answer those, we're trying to find ways, and my team and I are trying to find ways. There's less and less of that. Once we get knowing you, we kind of have an idea of where you're spending your money, with who, and because what a lot of that might be somebody you do something with every month. Well, after we ask 1 month, we're going to know that, so then we won't ask you that question again.